Chemistry Kit Activity 2. Physical changes through experimentation. Hey, Science Creations parents, teachers, camp counselors, and possibly campers. In this experiment, you're going to learn how to make H2O, water, disappear and learn what's a physical change. So in your kit, you have 3 cups, special water gel or trinitrocellulose, as well as salt. Now, in this experiment, you're going to take 3 cups and you are going to put a little trinitrocellulose inside one of the cups before the campers are looking, just about a teaspoon. And they get 3 chances and you're gonna try to make it disappear. Remember which cup you put it in because you're gonna put the H2O in that cup last. So you get 3 chances. Let's pour it in cup number 1, 2, 3. Okay, you're gonna switch it up, make it easy. And they have to guess which cup is it in, 1, 2, or 3. 1, see if they're right. Yes, you get 2 more chances. Ready? Switch it up, make it a little harder. Which cup is it in? 3, let's see. Yes, right again. You get 1 more chance to make it disappear. Now you wanna make it really hard this time. Make it really hard. Okay, which cup is it in? 3, let's see. No, it's not in cup number 3. 2, no, it's not in cup number 2. 1, no, it's not in cup number 1. So in our chemistry kit, we explained what made the H2O disappear. And actually to reverse the process, you're gonna use salt and make it reappear. Okay, check out our STEAM kit and our other kits for this summer or during the school year and enjoy science. And this is the magic behind science. Okay, see you next time. Bye. ScienceCreations.com.